Hey guys, check it out, man. I'm sitting here editing this video that I'll be posting in a minute, and turned on the rig, and the bands are shit. Hang on, man. I gotta show you something. Okay, check it out. I hope this phone will focus. For you newer hams that think, oh yay, the solar cycle's picking up, the bands will be great, I'll work tons of DX. Well, you see the solar flux numbers are starting to climb. We're up to 84, which is, it's up there, it's getting there. When it gets over 100, we'll start working some real DX, but solar activity, quiet. Geomagnetic field, minor storm. Oh yes, there is. And you'll notice the K index is a little high. It indicates that something's going on. The A index is relatively low, which means that even if there weren't the minor storm happening, DX would be, not great. But hang on, man. I'm going to stick you on the tripod. Let's take a tour of the bands. Hang on. Okay, let's start on 40 meters. You'll see I'm at the bottom of the band. I'm in lower sideband mode. But I went to the bottom of the band. Let's sweep the whole band. Now I've got it connected to a dipole. It's got a reasonable antenna. Listen. How do you like that, boys? Not one single signal on 40 meters. I heard something there. Listen, not even an FT8 head. Oh, yes, there is one. Normally, those 10 kilowatt signals would be pegging my meter, bending the pixels on my S meter. Let's go to 40. Let's go to 20, man. Same deal. Bottom of the band, right? Let's sweep the whole band. And of course, there'll be a few loud signals to make me look stupid. But hang on, Blowzo wishes to sweep the band. Oh, a signal. Hang on. Hang on, I want to see who he is.
In there, but I can't hear you well enough to pull you out of there. It's just a little bit too much noise. Anybody else copy the station?
Victor Echo 3, I can get him if he comes again.
Man, okay, there's a little activity. Sounds like maybe the band's just starting to come back. But 5 minutes ago, I swept both 40 and 20 meters and not a single signal on the bands. I couldn't believe it, man. So, Blowzo's propagation report number 2. Blowzo's Propo report number 2. As the solar cycle starts picking up, man, the bands can really be in the shits. Like today. That's Blowzo's Propo report. Back to the land of arcs and sparks. I just thought this was notable. Take care.